it's Miss Coco here. Today we're going to be working on creating our virtual Bitmoji lockers. I think this is going to be a really fun assignment, activity for us to get to know each other in the beginning of the year. So let's get into it. Okay, great. So let's jump into it. Today we're going to work on creating our virtual locker room. Since we can't have our regular locker room due to the whole COVID and whatnot, we're going to create our own virtual locker, and then we're going to present it to each other as our kind of open house for our locker room. So I've provided you guys with the link to this page on a Google slide. What you can do is drag and drop your cursor across, let's see, like this, and then you would click edit, copy, and then on your end you would create a new slide, click this little guy, and then paste it. And that's how you would get your version of this blank screen. From here, I'm just gonna get rid of this one so we can just focus on one, or not, let's leave it so we can see the before and after. So basically I want you to fill up your locker and decorate it however you would like, remembering to be respectful of others. Just think about, showing us what you want us to know about you. I think this would be a really fun, creative way to express yourself. So let's go ahead and get into it. How do we add anything to your virtual locker? Well, there's one thing for sure we can add right away, and it's that Bitmoji. So I'm going to go to the top, to my extensions, click on my Bitmoji, and let's look for a really fun one. Let's look up, I'm a PE teacher, so let's look up sports. Sweet. Which one of these sounds like me? I like this guy. So I'm gonna drag and drop my Bitmoji, and then you could see she just pops right up there on the screen. Easy peasy. We might change her later. We're gonna shrink her. Cool. We'll just keep her there for now. Now, let's say you want to add pictures of your family and friends, or your favorite book, or your favorite movie. A cool way that you can upload pictures would be to go to Google. And I'm going to, let's think, I used to live in Hawaii, so let's look for a Hawaii postcard. Go to images. Now from images, let's see, click on tools. You want to go to the color and then click on transparent. That way your background doesn't come out all black and white. You also want to click labeled for reuse. See how the pictures change up a little bit? There might not be as many cool ones, but this will have to do. So let's see. I want a cool picture. Let's just go with this picture of a chakra sign. So I'm going to drag and drop this guy into my computer, onto my desktop. And then from here, I'm going to go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and then I double click on the little hang loose chakra sign. And then I can shrink it to the size that I like, and I'll pretend that this guy's a sticker. That'd be a pretty cool sticker. Sweet. Okay. So I'll drag and drop until I find the place that I like, And there it is. Let's see what else we can add in here. We'll just keep the same settings. Let me see. What else can I find? Like a glitter backpack. A glitter heart. Well, let's see what other people did for their Bitmoji locker. A yoga mat, some flags, some stickers. These are all pretty cool. Let's look up lights. Glitter lights. Cool, cool. Okay, I'm going to go with disco ball. Why not? Drag and drop it to my computer. Go to my page. Insert image. Double click. And now I have my very own disco ball, which I'm going to put in my locker. Because disco balls are fun, and PE is the most fun class ever. Sweet. It's coming along nicely. So, I'm going to work on my virtual locker, and I'll present it first. I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration on how you can decorate your virtual locker, and I can't wait to see them. Good luck! Have fun!